there's a bunch of different influences that we mashed together. So I couldn't really pinpoint it for you.
Well, I've spent most of my time sitting in this cluttered room, and thoughts that arise in my head is the end coming soon. Oh, but I don't look for answers.
It'd be great to play in front of a bunch of college students because we're all the same age, you know what I mean? So.
I'm only hearing the music in the back of my mind.
So the winner of the 2014 Battle of the Bands competition and the opener for Prostock is Matt C. and the Noise.
Thanks for being open-minded about music. You know, this is awesome. Every band that played here today was awesome. I'm just glad I got to experience this.
We're going to Prostock!